Hey there. So we at Rudafin Studios value and need our coffee so much that we originally set up a Twitter account so that when someone brews a fresh pot, they update the Twitter and everyone in the office stays in the loop. But we got a little lazy and we decided that we'll make the coffee machine tweet itself. So let me show you an example here. We open up the coffee machine and we pour in the beans. And we close it up, and we have the Twitter loaded up here so that when we hit on, and we also have a little secret. It also plays a little song. Fresh pot being brewed right now, right on Twitter. For the whole world. Rudafin Studios coffee machine. What does yours do?